Our Hotspot hot tubs are an exceptional value from Hot Spring. It's your way to get the legendary hot spring experience at a great price. And one of the reasons it's such a great value is each model is equipped with a smart, automated water care system that's built in and included with each model. And like any system, it's comprised of different parts that work together to give you great benefit, which is a more automated, easy to care for water. So here's how it works. First, there's the oversized, easy to access hotspot filter. And next, we have built into each hotspot model automated filtration cycles, which work automatically without any fuss. And these cycles make sure the water is moving through the filter at appropriate times. And again, depending on your use, these cycles can also be customized if you choose. Now finally, there's our automated at ease inline water care cartridges, which automatically dispense sanitizer and minerals for just a remarkable soaking experience. In fact, it even self-regulates based on the water's sanitizing needs to maintain an even, consistent level of protection. And people they really love how it makes this water feel. It's softer, it's gentler. And also, it's virtually free of that typical chemical odor. And that's because the system's actually been designed to maintain your water with up to 75% less chlorine. So with these three components, they provide you, a Hot Spring hotspot buyer, with a quality, automated water care experience that will make your water best in class, all at one of our most competitive price points. And that's just one of the reasons why the Hotspot collection are an unbeatable value from Hot Spring.